First, we need to prepare all the equipments needed in order to save time, energy, and effort. Then, we need to wash our hands to avoid infection and to get rid of germs in your hands to do the procedure.
And I will check the infant's name and the formula. I will check the infant's name and the formula in order for me to know that if it is the right infant to give the formula. And if it is the infant, and we are good to go. And it is time to feed. I will pick up the infant and put it in a faller position. And I will get the formula make sure that the formula is in the nipple and in order to avoid the infant to inhale air or to swallow air. Put it in the mouth and let the infant suck it. And it's done. After feeding the baby, it is time for burping. First of all, put an extra diaper on your lap in order to avoid any stools or anything to avoid dirtying your uniform. And then support the head of the baby using your thumb and your index finger. Gently pat the back of the baby. Do it until the baby burps. This is the upright position. First, you need to put a towel on your shoulder and put the baby. Make sure that his head is being supported by your neck, and support the baby with your hand and gently pat the back of the baby. until it burps. First, use a towel in your lap. Put a towel in your lap and put the baby. Support the chest of the baby under and make sure to don't suffocate the baby. Put an extra space and gently pat the back of the baby until it burps.
Now, perform the aftercare.